Before I start, don't forget to stay at home, stop the spread, and pray for the country. COVID-19 is real and has caused schools to close down, churches to close down, and caused many companies to close their doors and send employees home. If you lost your job due to coronavirus, or if you just want to make some extra cash while you are social distancing at home, please consider these ways to make some extra cash from home. Stay concentrating to the end, and you will get the work that fits you most, that you are best at to make some extra cash at home. Stay connected to FragoesTV. Yeah, so there we go. Number 1, consider tutoring or teaching. Yes, you heard me right. Schools have closed down. Most students and pupils won't get the vigor to study unless otherwise pushed. Parents are worried as to how these students of theirs will enrich their memories while waiting for schools to be opened. Instead of you to just sit and live in boredom, you can consider organizing extra classes within your vicinity. But please, stick to social distancing even as you work to get extra cash. Number 2, consider temporary delivery work. Temporary delivery work. You can consider delivery services. People are staying at home, and you can liaise with marketers and distributors to engage you in delivery service. Don't forget to protect yourself against COVID-19 as an individual, even as you engage in delivery service to earn some extra cash at home. Number 3, consider teaching English online for up to $22 per hour with VIP Kid. VIP Kid is an online platform that allows people who are good at English to teach students or children from China, Russia, and other francophone countries. Just visit vipkid.com for more info. You can earn cool cash from this website whilst you stay at home for the COVID-19. Number 4, consider setting up an online course. This is the time everyone is at home and everyone would want to learn something new. You can consider using platforms like the Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and others to lecture others and make your cool cash. This is dependent on you and what you are good at. Number 5, childcare and babysitting. Most parents would be busy at work. Thus, if there isn't a ban on social gathering, since school children won't be going to school, you can consider babysitting and childcare service. Parents would want to be free and attend to their various duties. You stand a chance of becoming financially secured, even as you stay home for COVID-19. Number 6, consider creating t-shirt designs and artistic portraits and sell them in an Amazon merch store. Visit Amazon merch store for more info if interested in selling customized t-shirts and portraits online. You can best sell during this COVID-19 period on this website. Number 7, consider becoming a podcaster or a blogger. Of course, becoming a blogger within this short time won't make you rich, but every mighty thing has a simpler beginning. Never forget this. Number 8, consider lecturing on social media marketing. See, many people are now into social media marketing, and you can use the stay-at-home period to teach them on how to make real fast money online. Money is everyone's turn, and you stand a chance of getting more interested persons. Use this opportunity also to earn some extra cash while at home. And it's as simple as knowing how to use the social media tools. Number 9, consider starting mobile banking. Become a mobile banking agent. You can consider MTN Mobile Money, Tigo Cash, or Vodafone Cash. People from your immediate surrounding may choose to come to you rather than traveling a distance for the service. Number 10. Lastly, you should update your online resume on websites like LinkedIn and ClearVoice. Make it clear you're looking for work from home opportunities. You can create a LinkedIn account if you do not have already. These websites have work for you everywhere and at all times, but unless you update your details to seek a particular job type. Join us, let's fight the COVID-19 pandemic. Stay at home, save lives, stop the spread, but above all and most importantly, make money at home. This too shall pass.